Hi everyone. Welcome back to our Docker Basics playlist. Today, we are going to talk about how to install Docker on your computer, whether you use Windows, macOS, or Linux. And to keep things simple, I'll explain it using our favorite example, the post office. Imagine you want to open your own post office branch so you can send and receive packages easily. Installing Docker is like setting up your local post office branch on your computer. If you are on Windows, you can set up your post office branch by installing Docker Desktop, the official app that makes managing packages super easy. Just go to the Docker website, download the installer, and run it like getting your post office building ready for business. For Windows, you might need to enable a helper call at WSL2. It's like making sure your post office has electricity and plumbing before you open the doors. For macOS, it's a similar story. You download Docker Desktop for Mac and install it, just like setting up your post office branch in your neighborhood. Docker Desktop makes everything run smoothly behind the scenes, so you can focus on sending and receiving your packages. For Linux users, it's like you are building your post office from scratch. You don't get Docker Desktop, but instead, you install the Docker engine directly. This is like ordering all the equipment, desks, and tools your post office needs and setting it up yourself. You do this by running a few commands in your terminal, kind of like assembling the post office piece by piece. Once your post office is set up, you want to make sure it's ready to work. Open your terminal or command prompt, the control room of your post office, and type Docker version. This checks the license of your post office, making sure Docker is properly installed. If it shows a version number, you are good to go. Then, type Docker info. This command gives you the status report telling you how your post office is running, what packages are inside, and if everything is working fine. And that's how you install Docker, setting up your very own post office on your computer to send, receive, and manage your software packages efficiently. Remember, this video is part of our Docker Basics playlist. We'll keep exploring Docker with easy analogies and practical examples, so stick around. If you have any questions or run into issues during installation, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.